Yeah, that thing looking good. To get that thing cleaned up. Got the XXRs on there. 10.5 in the rear, 9 in the front, baby. Let me know what y'all think. Please comment, subscribe. Sitting on those H&R lowering springs too. The front wheel is tucked in a little bit more. I wish it was a 9.5 up front, but I'm gonna do something. We're gonna fix that though. Black, black, black. Oh yeah. Shout out to my man Corey for the great wax job at the BMW dealership. Shout out to my other man Alonzo for the great paint job on the front bumper and the front lip install. Got this thing looking good now. Been getting so many comments about the car out here in these streets. I said, you know what? I guess it is YouTube worthy now, man. These XXR wheels have really set this thing off. Riding on these H&R lowering springs. Car rides good too, rides great. Comment, subscribe, more videos coming up. Oh, I'm liking it. Got a lot more to do to this little car. Get this thing the way that I really want it though. But yeah, let me know what y'all think though, man. Let me know what y'all think. I'm liking it though.